So let's look at the other audio inputs. Over here we've got connections for auxiliary and tape. Well, we don't use a tape player, but what we do use them for is you can use either of these for things such as the CD or a computer input. So for example, over here I've got my personal computer, so you can replace this or use your own computer, and it's simply on a USB connection here. So I supply the leads for you to get the digital input from your computer or other audio device through to this digital to analog converter. So it goes straight in the back of that where it's got inputs, and on the output you use one of these cables here. All of this is supplied with this DIN connector here, and that goes into the auxiliary, or you can use the tape. Either of those will work just the same. The only difference is when you select the audio source, you have to remember which your CD or your computer is connected to, and just select those to enable the output through to the speakers.